The step-by-step mentoring program is aimed to help underprivileged children in the Dobrich area to give them a safe space, which is a kind of like a family-like environment.
They're between 4 and 18 years old. Usually they come from disadvantaged families in the Dobrich area. Sometimes kids come from family they cannot provide the minimum living conditions. They see abuse. Sometimes they see drugs. The children in these families could be exposed to social isolation, dropping out of school, maybe the worst violence and abuse, human trafficking. The mentorship program helps the children by our personal examples, help them develop the skills they will need in future to take the good decisions for their lives.
Soft skills, so to be curious, to be open-minded, to have empathy. So we want to give the kids the most valuable true superpowers.
Липсва ме обича от родители, така да го кажа. Ами, каквото съм се научила, успях да завърша 7 клас, да си вляза в училището. Много искам, защото каквото сме видели от вас, вие с много неща сте ни помогнали да се развием ние. Общо взето имаме нужда от вас, както и ще имат и други деца, нали?
We are 3 coordinators, 9 volunteers. They share almost every Saturday with the kids.
Everyone represents something different for the kids. They have different professions, so this may help the kids to bond with other people and to enrich their mindset.
Програмата помага как да вземем трудни решения в даден момент. Също така при сложни задачи, които правим ежедневието си, ни помагат да вземаме правилни решения, също така в действие. Бих искал да кажа, че съм напълно благодарен на тези хора, които бяха до мен. Без тях до сега нямаше да имам това, което в момента, в който тръгвам, да съм готвач, да се развия собствена кариера, също така да си имам и книжка.
On the weekdays, we are helping with their homeworks. We are preparing for their state exams. We are talking about prevention.
Weekends, it's a time for like family activities. We're cooking, we're laughing, we sport.
We're trying to provide for the kids the same experiences like those who were raised in a normal families.
We're so very pleased to have been able to support the step-by-step mentoring program for many years because of the powerful long-term impact it has, not just for each child, but also subsequently the whole community.
doTERRA became involved from the very beginning. They were the people that find this important to provide the kids opportunities for a better life.
Региона, който обслужват стъпка по стъпка, Добрич и селата около Добрич. Това е много важно за доTERRA, защото в полетите около Добрич работят много от родителите на децата, които са в този център. Благодарим за подкрепата през всичките тези години. Бъдете с нас, за да бъдем устойчиви за напред. Тези хора променят съдби.
For those kids, which is more than 70 children, for more than 6 years, maybe we are the most stable thing in their lives.
I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported in all of our doTERRA Europe Healing Hands project by personally getting involved and by purchasing our rose hand lotion and our Hope Touch oil.
Well, we multiplied our program last year at the Pobeda village. We are trying to help more and more kids, but we are trying to do our best, give those kids chances that they can make the right decisions so they can exchange it for a better future.